Now the patient has been medicated and the dressing applied, and it's time to dispose the materials that have been used for this medication. So first of all, we have to dispose the knives and blades in the proper container, and then all the disposable material that have to be wrapped up and discarded in the sanitary containers. Then the sack is closed with the external pair of gloves removed, and the sack will be sealed with a plastic lace, and then the container will be closed and disinfected with the spray, which is made on purpose. So you can see this technical container have proper lace that can be applied to seal and separate the material contaminated from the external manipulation. The external pair of gloves will be put inside, and then the external coverage will be put on in place. And it will be then disinfected with the spray containing antiseptic molecules.